Welcome back, tool enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the 10 most amazing tools that will make your life easier. From innovative workbench solutions to garden organizers and powerful cutting tools, we've got something for everyone. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Number 1. The Grip Hog Backpack Vacuum Lifter is a game changer for anyone working with pavers. Imagine cutting your installation time by 40% while minimizing the risk of injury. This tool makes that possible. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Grip Hog helps you place and stack pavers with incredible ease and precision. This versatile lifter offers multiple models to suit your needs. You can choose from the single-man T-handle, the two-man H-handle, or even a crane hook model, depending on your project requirements. And with lift pad sizes ranging from 6 inches in diameter to 12 by 24 inches, you can handle just about any paver size or shape. What's even better is the flexibility in how you can operate it. The Grip Hog works with portable gasoline or electric compressors, making it a perfect fit for any job site. For hands-free operation, there's the vacuum-powered backpack model. And if you want ultimate mobility, go for the completely cordless option, powered by an 18V battery. Lift capacities will vary depending on your vacuum source, lift pad size, and the porosity and texture of the materials you're working with. But no matter what, this tool is designed to make your work faster, safer, and more efficient. Number 2. The Pony Portable Folding Work Table is your ultimate 2-in-1 solution for any job site or workshop. Whether you need a sturdy sawhorse or a reliable workbench, this versatile table has you covered. With a load capacity of up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse and 500 pounds as a workbench, you can tackle heavy-duty tasks with confidence. The aluminum-made leg frame ensures strength and durability, making it stronger than most other workbenches out there. Switching between the sawhorse and workbench modes is a breeze, allowing you to adapt to different work scenarios in seconds. The table comes equipped with quick clamps and holding pegs, giving you a secure grip on your materials. Plus, it includes 4 clamps, 4 bench dogs, and 2 safety straps, so you're ready for any project. One of the standout features is its height adjustability. With 6 different height settings ranging from 30 inches to 35 inches, this folding workbench can be tailored to suit your specific needs, whether you're working in the garage, lawn, or garden. The work table's 31 by 25 inch size offers ample space for various projects, ensuring you can work comfortably at different levels. Compact, portable, and incredibly versatile, the Pony Portable Folding Work Table is designed to make your work more convenient, no matter where you are or what you're working on. Number 3. The 110-volt 1100-watt auto-use bolts nuts removal tool is a must-have for anyone involved in automotive restoration and repair, especially when dealing with older vehicles. This flameless portable magnetic induction heater is designed to make your maintenance tasks easier, especially when you're working with fasteners near sensitive components like plastics, rubber, or wiring. With a compact and lightweight design, this tool is not only highly efficient but also easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It operates on standard 110-volt power, so there's no need for an industrial type breaker, making it perfect for any garage setup. The advanced 100 kHz induction heating frequency ensures that heat is concentrated precisely where you need it, reducing the heat-affected zone and minimizing the risk of damaging nearby components. One of the standout features is its foldable body, which allows for easy storage and makes multi-angle work much simpler. Whether you're removing rusted bolts or stubborn nuts, this tool provides a quick and easy solution, saving you time and frustration. Plus, with 8 coil kits included, you'll have the versatility to tackle a wide range of fastener sizes and shapes. Number 4. The Mobile Garden Tool Organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your garage or shed tidy and your yard tools easily accessible. This heavy-duty metal storage holder is designed to store large and long tools, even in spaces with low to normal 7 to 8 foot ceilings, without the risk of hitting the ceiling. Whether you're storing rakes, shovels, or other long-handled tools, this sturdy yard cart holds them securely and keeps them organized. One of the best features of this organizer is its mobility. The casters allow you to easily roll the cart outside, so you can keep multiple yard tools nearby while you work. When you're done, just roll it back into your garage or shed for convenient storage. The design ensures that your tools pull out smoothly and snap back in place without any hassle. Made from durable metal, this tool rack won't rust, dent, rot, or peel, and it stands strong without leaning or tipping over. In addition to holding large tools, it also features a metal basket in the middle grid layer, perfect for storing smaller items like scissors, pliers, or potted gadgets. This combination of functionality and durability makes the Mobile Garden Tool Organizer an essential addition to any gardener's setup. Number 5. The Johnner Tools HC10 Professional Grade Round Hole Saw Cutter is a versatile and reliable tool designed for precision cutting in a variety of materials. This tool is perfect for creating round holes in plywood, sheetrock, plasterboard, and acrylic sheets up to 1 1/16 inch thick, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Included with the HC10 is an adjustable hole saw cutter, a durable polycarbonate dust shield, and a rugged carrying case to keep everything organized and protected. The cutter's adjustable size allows you to create holes ranging from 2.2 inch to 10 inch in diameter, giving you the flexibility to tackle a wide range of projects. The cutting depth can be easily adjusted up to 1 1/16 inch, thanks to the adjustable hex lock nut and compression spring. Safety is a top priority with the HC10. The tool features a compression spring that absorbs vibrations while cutting, ensuring smoother operation. The transparent dust shield not only keeps dust contained but also prevents chips from flying into your eyes, enhancing both safety and visibility during use. Built to last, the HC10 is equipped with a rubber gasket that protects surfaces from damage, creates a tight seal against flat surfaces, and prevents debris fallout. Compatible with any variable speed drill, this hole saw cutter is a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike who demand precision, safety, and durability in their tools. Number 6. The Tough-Built Scraper Utility Knife is a versatile and innovative 2-in-1 tool that brings convenience and efficiency to your hands. Crafted from pro-grade materials, this tool seamlessly transforms from a utility knife to a scraper with just a press of your thumb, thanks to its patented mechanism. Whether you're cutting or scraping, this tool does it all, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. Included with the knife are 5 custom universal blades that are easily swapped out with the push of a button. These blades are not only compatible with the scraper utility knife, but also fit almost all other utility knives, adding to the tool's versatility. In scraper mode, you can effortlessly remove paint, putty, labels, and adhesive from surfaces like windows, mirrors, and tile. Switch to knife mode, and you'll cut through materials like carpet, cardboard, plastic, vinyl, rope, and more with precision and ease. The scraper utility knife is built for durability and comfort, featuring a rugged, non-slip rubber handle that provides a strong grip. The finger guard ridge offers added safety while cutting, so you can work with confidence. Additionally, the knife includes an integrated paint can opener and a lanyard opening for easy tethering, making it even more functional for any project you take on. Whether you're a professional tradesman or a DIY enthusiast, the Tough-Built Scraper Utility Knife is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, making your work simpler and more efficient. Number 7. The Klein Tools 55895 Magnetic Wristband is a must-have accessory for any tradesman or DIY enthusiast who needs to keep small parts close at hand. Designed with strong rare earth magnets, this wristband securely holds wire connectors, screws, nails, drill bits, and other small metal items, so you can work more efficiently without constantly searching for what you need. Comfort is key with the 55895 magnetic wristband. It features a breathable mesh interior that keeps your wrist cool and comfortable, even during long work sessions. Made from durable 1680D ballistic material, this wristband is built to withstand tough conditions, ensuring it will last through many projects. The wristband is designed to fit most wrist sizes and comes with a secure, adjustable hook and loop closure, making it easy to put on and take off. Its contoured shape ensures a comfortable fit around your wrist, providing convenience without sacrificing comfort. For added versatility, you can also wrap this magnetic wristband around your belt or tool bag, keeping your small parts within easy reach no matter where you're working. Whether you're on a ladder, under a car, or just moving around the job site, the Klein Tools 55895 magnetic wristband is the perfect solution to keep your tools and parts organized and accessible. Number 8. The Calculated Industries 8110 Center Mark Drywall Recessed Lighting Cutout Magnetic Locator Tool is your go-to solution for creating perfect drywall cutouts for non-LED recessed light fixtures. Say goodbye to time-consuming, error-prone measurements and hello to professional results in half the time. This innovative tool uses powerful rare earth magnets to locate the exact center of your recessed light through the sheetrock, eliminating the need for measuring. Simply place the magnetic target in the light socket and use the locator tool to find it through the drywall. The magnets snap into place, showing you precisely where to cut. Not only does this tool save you time, but it also reduces the amount of lifting and adjusting typically required with other marking methods. Whether you're a seasoned pro or hanging drywall for the first time, the 8110 Center Mark tool ensures perfect cutouts every time, helping you avoid costly mistakes and the need for patches or repairs. The tool is designed to fit 4-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch recessed non-LED can light fixtures, making it versatile for various projects. Plus, by eliminating miscuts, It helps keep drywall and paneling sheets out of landfills, making it an environmentally friendly choice as well. With the 8110 Center Mark tool, you can achieve professional-grade results quickly and easily, making it a valuable addition to any drywall installer's toolkit. Number 9. The manual pole saw with a 30 feet extendable reach is an essential tool for efficient high-branch trimming. Featuring a sharp, durable 0.05-inch thick alloy steel blade, it ensures smooth cutting and resists bending or breaking. The saw has top and bottom hook knives for removing stuck branches, enhancing cutting efficiency. The lightweight epoxy resin pole is strong, corrosion-resistant, and easy to handle, extending up to 30 feet with a simple threaded connection. Equipped with a multifunctional pruner, the saw includes a spring-type mechanism with double pulleys, making it ideal for pruning thinner, hard-to-reach branches with minimal effort. The non-slip rubber grips ensure comfort and control, while the telescopic design eliminates the need for ladders, improving safety. Perfect for forestry, orchards, gardens, and farms, this versatile tool is a reliable choice for both professionals and garden enthusiasts, combining efficiency, safety, and convenience in one package. Number 10. The Chopper Wooden Axe is a game-changer for splitting wood, designed for maximum efficiency and power. Unlike traditional axes that often get stuck in wood due to their thin blades, this axe features a unique mechanism. As you strike the wood, two spring-activated levers force outward, splitting the wood with explosive power. This innovative design ensures that splitting logs is faster and easier than ever before. Crafted with durability in mind, the Chopper Wooden Axe boasts a 6.25-pound cast iron head that can withstand years of heavy use. The 32-inch hickory handle is ergonomically shaped to deliver maximum power with each swing, ensuring comfort and control. The spring levers reset automatically, allowing you to use the axe like a regular chopping tool. Ideal for camping, wood stoves, and firewood, this heavy-duty axe is a reliable tool for anyone who needs to split logs with ease.